At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a local business can be an exciting venture. Here are some general steps to get you started. 1. Idea generation. Identify your passions, skills, and interests. Consider what products or services are in demand in your local area. Brainstorm ideas that align with your expertise and the needs of your community. 2. Market research. Investigate the local market to understand your target audience, competitors, and industry trends. Determine if there's a gap in the market that your business can fill, or if you can offer something unique compared to existing businesses. 3. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your goals, target market, marketing strategy, operational plan, and financial projections. A well-thought-out business plan will serve as a roadmap for your business and help you secure funding if needed. 4. Legal considerations. Choose a suitable legal structure for your business, e.g., sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, and register your business with the appropriate local authorities. Obtain any necessary permits or licenses required to operate your business legally. 5. Financing. Determine how much capital you need to start and sustain your business until it becomes profitable. Explore funding options such as personal savings, loans, grants, or investors. Create a budget to track your expenses and revenue. 6. Location. If your business requires a physical location, choose a strategic location that is easily accessible to your target customers. Consider factors such as foot traffic, parking, and proximity to competitors. 7. Product or service development. Develop your product or service offering, ensuring that it meets the needs and preferences of your target market. Focus on quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction to differentiate your business from competitors. 8. Marketing and branding. Create a strong brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Develop a marketing plan that utilizes a mix of online and offline channels to reach potential customers. Consider tactics such as social media marketing, email marketing, SEO, local advertising, and networking. 9. Operations. Establish efficient operational processes to deliver your products or services effectively. Hire and train staff as needed and implement systems for inventory management, customer service, and financial tracking. 10. Launch and promotion. Launch your business with a grand opening event or promotional campaign to generate buzz and attract customers. Offer special discounts or incentives to encourage people to try your products or services. 11. Customer feedback and adaptation. Solicit feedback from your customers and use it to improve your offerings and customer experience. Stay agile and be willing to adapt your business strategy based on changing market conditions and customer preferences. Starting a local business requires dedication, hard work, and resilience, but with careful planning and execution, it can be a rewarding endeavor. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.